Microsoft's latest Windows 11 25H2 preview build 26220.7051, also known as KB5067115, has just arrived, and it's turning out to be one of the most exciting updates in recent months. Released for both the dev and beta channels, this new build signals a unified direction for the future of Windows, where the same 25H2 base version powers both development streams. This move means dev insiders can now switch to the beta channel without reinstalling the operating system, giving users more flexibility and control over how they test new features. But what really makes this update stand out is a massive set of new features, performance improvements, and design refinements that show Microsoft's vision for Windows 11 heading into 2025. Let's start with the biggest headline feature, Copilot on the Taskbar. This is a new Ask Copilot experience, which turns Microsoft's AI assistant into a natural part of how you use your PC every single day. With this addition, Copilot isn't just a floating sidebar anymore. It's deeply integrated right into your workflow, ready to help guide and collaborate the moment you need it. The new Copilot now lives conveniently on your taskbar, giving you one-click access to Copilot Vision and Voice, two powerful tools that redefine how you interact with Windows. Instead of typing out long commands, you can now speak directly to Copilot, describe what you see on screen, or even use Vision to identify elements and take actions. For example, you can ask it to adjust settings, summarize content, or even recognize what's in an image without ever touching your mouse. This isn't just AI assistance. It's contextual, smart collaboration that adapts to how you work. Microsoft emphasizes that this is an opt-in experience, which means you remain fully in control. You can use Copilot through voice, text, or visual cues, and as you type, your results appear and update instantly, making it faster than ever to get answers, find settings, or perform quick actions. Whether you're adjusting system preferences or writing an email, Copilot is now at your fingertips, literally part of your taskbar flow. But that's not the only exciting addition. Microsoft has also introduced shared Bluetooth audio, a feature that users have been requesting for years. With this enhancement, Windows 11 now supports streaming audio to multiple Bluetooth devices simultaneously, meaning you can connect two or more headphones or speakers at once and play the same sound on all of them. Imagine watching a movie with a friend or partner on your laptop without sharing a single pair of earbuds. That's exactly what this feature makes possible. It's not just about convenience. It's about inclusivity and flexibility. Gamers, content creators, and even office users who rely on Bluetooth headsets will find this upgrade a real game changer. And speaking of gaming, Microsoft has improved the full-screen gaming experience across more handheld consoles and gaming devices, optimizing performance for newer handhelds and hybrid systems. Whether you're using a ROG Ally, Steam Deck, or other portable Windows device, this update ensures smoother frame rates, better scaling, and more stable graphics handling during intensive gameplay. Beyond the visible features, Build 26220.7051 also includes important File Explorer performance improvements, making file navigation and search faster and more responsive. File Explorer has been a focus area for Microsoft throughout 2024 and 2025, and this update builds on that effort by enhancing caching, reducing animation lag, and improving responsiveness when loading large directories. This means quicker file access, fewer freezes, and smoother transitions, something users of slower PCs will really appreciate. The update also delivers several bug fixes and system optimizations. One major improvement includes resolving issues where some insiders face instability when opening folders with large amounts of content or when syncing files via OneDrive. Microsoft has also continued fine-tuning Windows Search, improving its ability to surface relevant results faster while using fewer resources. Combined with the Copilot integration, searching for anything on Windows now feels more intelligent and immediate than ever before. Now, let's take a closer look at what this update means for insiders and everyday users. The unification of dev and beta builds under the same 25H2 branch represents a key shift in Microsoft's testing philosophy. For a limited time, dev users can switch channels without losing data or reinstalling Windows, which historically has been a hassle. This change shows that Microsoft is committed to making the insider experience more seamless, letting users try advanced features while maintaining system stability. However, Microsoft also warns that after a short period, dev builds will move to higher numbers, which means those future builds might become less stable again. So if you prefer reliability, now's the best time to switch to beta. This is a smart and user-friendly move, showing that Microsoft is listening to feedback and adapting its Insider program for better flexibility. From a design perspective, Windows 11 continues to evolve toward a cleaner, more intelligent ecosystem. The Taskbar Copilot integration represents more than just a convenience. It's a step toward making Windows a truly AI-assisted operating system. With Copilot Vision, you can analyze what's on screen, get recommendations, and interact with your computer more naturally, bridging the gap between traditional OS control and intelligent automation. Whether you're dictating text, asking questions, or letting Copilot handle repetitive tasks, the experience feels fluid and futuristic. In the same spirit, the new shared Bluetooth audio feature enhances how people connect and share experiences on Windows. It's small features like this that make the system feel more personal and social, breaking away from the one user per device limitation that older versions of Windows had. Another subtle yet important improvement lies in accessibility and inclusivity. The combination of Copilot Vision and voice means that users with disabilities now have more intuitive ways to control their PC. Voice commands can handle basic actions like opening apps, navigating menus, or changing settings, while Vision can identify visual elements and guide interactions. These upgrades make Windows 11 not just smarter, but also more human-centered, ensuring that technology adapts to the user rather than the other way around. Performance-wise, the build also refines how Windows handles background processes, delivering faster load times and smoother multitasking. When combined with File Explorer improvements, these changes make everyday use more efficient, reducing the small annoyances that accumulate over time. Whether you're launching apps, transferring files, or gaming, everything feels just a bit more fluid. It's also worth noting that Microsoft continues to roll out updates that prepare Windows for the AI-driven era. With features like Copilot tightly woven into the user experience, it's clear that AI will become a core component of Windows moving forward, not just an add-on. This version of Windows 11 is laying the groundwork for Windows 12, and these incremental upgrades are shaping what that future will look like. So what does this mean for you? If you're an insider, this is an excellent time to test out the 25H2 build, explore Copilot's deeper integration, and experience shared Bluetooth audio firsthand. The build is relatively stable, and most users report smoother performance overall. However, as always with preview builds, you should back up your data before updating, just in case. For those who prefer waiting for the official release, these features will likely roll out broadly with Windows 11 version 25H2 later in 2025. In summary, Windows 11 build 26,220.7051 is one of the most feature-rich updates in recent memory. It introduces a powerful Ask Copilot experience directly on your taskbar, enabling natural interaction through text, voice, and vision. It adds shared Bluetooth audio for simultaneous headphone connections, improves full-screen gaming on handheld devices, and makes File Explorer faster and smoother. With numerous fixes and a unified dev/beta system, Microsoft is proving that Windows 11 is evolving rapidly, not just visually, but functionally and intelligently. These updates might seem small individually, but together they create a far more connected and capable Windows experience. My recommendation? If you're part of the Insider program, go ahead and try this update now. You'll immediately feel the difference in speed, usability, and flexibility. The new Copilot integration alone makes it worth it, and the shared Bluetooth feature will change how you enjoy media on your PC. Just keep in mind that as dev builds advance, they may become less stable, so consider switching to beta if you prefer smoother sailing. Windows 11 continues to bridge the gap between performance, AI, and user experience, and this update is a perfect example of that progress. And remember, for the latest updates, deep tech breakdowns, and everything new in the world of Windows and AI, keep watching TechVerse, where innovation meets information, only here on your favorite tech channel.